Ayush Maniar is asking that what is your prediction on movement of interest rates over a 3-year period? And in one of your hangout session, you said that as a thumb rule, to avoid the best debt fund. Given that, will Kotak short-term fund be good opportunity, investment opportunity, as it shows a 5-star rating on Value Research? 5-star rating, I haven't looked at Kotak short-term debt fund very closely, but generally speaking, a debt fund which has delivered extraordinary return, uh, you have to make an assumption, delve deeper into it, that any higher return in the debt fund will come with assuming higher risk. And there are three kind of risk which a debt fund can assume. One is simply the credit risk, going down, investing in companies, bonds, which are of lower quality, poor quality, where there could be a risk of getting your principal back. That can generate more return, and the accident will happen once in a while. The accident will not happen every other day. Then the other way funds generate higher return is by taking an interest rate risk, which is, a mutual fund manager can buy very long maturity bonds by investing in very long maturity bond if he expects that the interest rate is likely to go down. Because when interest rates go down, longer the bond maturity, higher the appreciation will be, because those bonds which will keep paying you higher interest rates for a longer period of time, they become very pricey. So they appreciate more. The converse is also true. Somebody can take an interest rate risk. Somebody is expecting that the interest rates will go up or go down, and it happens otherwise. So, any higher return that you get in a debt fund is by assuming some kind of risk. There can also be a liquidity risk. Some fund manager can buy a bond which is not actively traded, or and there could be a discount for that. They could be valued differently. So there are nuances, technical or financial nuances, which can lead to superior return by assuming liquidity risk. Fund managers can assume a small, that kind of risk on a small part of their portfolio. But in bad times, that small part turns out to be big when most other investors actually pull their money out. So I would say that, yes, I stand by my statement that one should be cautious about investing in the best performing debt fund, simply because on the assumption that they will be taking some risk. What is my prediction on mutual fund of interest rates over the 3 years period? I would say that even in relatively normal times, I have seen bond fund managers going down, going wrong, and grossly wrong, substantially wrong, with their prediction on the interest rates. But right now, I think, my sense is that I can visualize that there will be, interest rates can go down a little further. 3 years time frame, I don't know, because we are still in the positive interest rate territory. There are economies where we see it's zero, and I don't know how economy will pan out from here on. What kind of decline are we going to see? What kind of, steps the government will take, or the RBI will take in tandem with the government. So it's very difficult to guess. But I hope that we are back to normal times, and in the short run, I expect some interest rate cuts. 3 years, I don't know.